This video is going to show you how to book out resources using Google Calendar. There'll be another one showing you how to do it on a tablet as well. Once you're signed into G Suite, if you click on the app tray just here, you'll be able to open up Calendar by clicking on the icon, or you can just type in calendar.google.com and it will take you there. Now, as we can see on the left hand side, we've got a lot of different calendars, or I have a lot of different calendars available. Some of these are resource calendars, so for instance we've got different Chromebooks and we've also got different computer resources, so the robots, Kanos, and also the ICT suite itself. The calendars can be selected and deselected, so you don't always have to be viewing them because it could otherwise get quite a bit busy. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you some entries that I've made. We have here a test entry, and we also have that duplicated. Now this is because this is a calendar entry that I've made in my calendar. I've gone and put that out, and because I'm viewing the calendar for this resource, it also appears right there as well, so that we can see, everybody else can see that this has been booked out. So the rest of the staff will see this entry, whereas I'm the only one that will see my entry alongside it. I deselect that, there we go, that's gone. If I click on it, I can see the details. I can close that, that's gone. So when I go and create a new calendar entry, we can click anywhere inside the calendar to start creating entries. I'm going to select here, and if we work down from the top, we'll give it a title, and we've got the date there. I'm happy with the date at the moment, and if it's going to be a regular thing, I can go and click repeat, and it will make repeat entries just like a normal sort of a calendar. And then if we go down, we can see rooms and locations. You'll need to click on rooms because the calendar views each resource as a room, as it were. You'll see that here. We can search. We can view available rooms only or include unavailable rooms. By default, available rooms only. And then if I open this up, we can see all the different resources that are in middle building, including the small laptop trolleys, and now press play in the large laptop trolley. So I'm going to click on the large laptop trolley. You can see it's available, and then come back. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it forwards to 9 o'clock. And I just want to show you, if I remove that and add rooms again, middle building, the large laptop trolley is not there to put out, and that's because it's already booked out at this time. If I select include unavailable rooms, it's crossed out, which means that we can't book it out while somebody else has got it. So I'm just going to drag that down. There we go. And there it is, it appears again. Once that's all done, you can click on save, and there it is. And what will happen is eventually this will appear in my calendar as well. I'll select that, just as it does right here. Using your tablets to book out resources is almost identical to doing so within the Chrome browser on your desktops. There's a few interface differences, so we'll go through those. Over on the top left hand corner you have your three lines, which is the hamburger menu. That's where you'll find all of your different calendars. which you can still select and deselect so that you can view them properly. If you can't see them, there's Show More, which is also where you'll find settings. Now, some of the calendars, such as the internal staff calendar and the public calendar, you may need to find that you have to go into settings, find that calendar, and then choose to sync, like so, in order to get updates. If we come back out of this, back into the calendar, in order to create a calendar entry, you just click on the plus in the bottom right hand corner, like so, and then event, or you can just tap anywhere on the calendar that you can, and then you can start to add in your event details. So we'll pop in a title, and there's the time. We're happy with the time. It says does not repeat, and that's where you can then go and choose a repeat if it's a recurring booking. And then add room is again separated out, and we can click on show all rooms and middle building, and then we can see all of the different items. If the timings, let's move this down to 9:30 should do, conflict with something else. Oh, I've chosen PM, hold on. Nobody's going to be at school that time of the evening. There we are. When we choose add a room and show all rooms, we can see that the large laptop trolley is unavailable because it's been crossed out. So we can choose a small laptop trolley instead. Oops. We click on save, there it appears for us, and then it will duplicate just like the next one, so that that's just showing us that it is in both the My Calendar and in the school's calendar for that resource. For deselect viewing that resource, it disappears. And then reappears. And those are all of the differences.